નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે we are going to learn standard 7th lesson 2nd subject verb conquer. In earlier two video we learned about subject verb conquer. In first video we studied teaching points related to subject verb conquer. In part 1 we studied about first exercise A. Now today we have to do part 2nd, means exercise B in that videos. First of all, just we have to revise what is subject verb conquer. While making sentences in English, the verb must always be in concord or agreement with the subject. We learned in our first videos that subject and verb must be agreed with each other. According to subject, we have to put our verb. If subject is in a singular form, then we have to put verb in a singular form. If subject is in a plural form, then we have to put our verb in a plural form. That teaching points you have to keep in mind, and then based on that teaching points we have to complete our exercise. In part 1 we complete our A exercise. Now today we have to do our B exercise. So let's start, students. Exercise B exercise is given here. Complete the following sentences using the correct form of verbs given below. We have to complete the sentence with a verb given downside. We have to select the correct verb according to our subject, and then we have to fill up the blanks with that words. So now let's start. First sentence is there. Politics blanks a dirty business. Here two verb is given, is, second one is there, are. First of all we have to see the subject of that sentence. Which is subject here? Politics is a subject here. Politics is a one type of subject name. So politics look like as a plural, but actually politics word is in a singular form. According to that politics singular word, we have to put singular verb. Subject verb must be agreement. We learned about it. So we have to put is as a singular verb here. So now correct answer of that first sentence is. So we have to put is here as a correct answer. So now finalized sentence become politics is a dirty business. Understand, student? Now second sentence we have to understand. Every member of the meeting blanks to this agenda. Here two verb is given here. First one is there, has agreed. Second one, had agreed. Has means present tense and had means past tense. Every member of meeting belongs to this agenda. Agreed. So what we have to put here? According to our subject, every member of meeting, every member. So it's a singular subject here. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb here. What we have to put here? We have to put here has agreed. What we have to put? Has agreed here. So finalized sentence become like that. Every member of the meeting has agreed to this agenda. Ready? Now third one. Third sentence we have to understand. You and your brother blanks me of my cousins who were also twins. You and your brother is a subject here. You and your brother is a subject here. So you and your brother subject become plural. So here you and your brother means two persons thinking. So subject become plural. According to that plural subject we have to put plural verb here. Here two verb is given. First one is there remind and second one is there reminds. So reminds verb is a singular form because in present simple tense third person singular always came with s or es. Okay, so here reminds means singular form but remind means plural form. So according to plural subject we have to put plural verb here. So what we have to put here? We have to put here remind word as our answer. So finalized sentence become you and your brother remind me of my cousins who were also twins. So remind answer is correct here. Now next sentence. The entire country blanks to witness the new millennium. Here two verb is given here. Was gathered, were gathered. The entire country look like as a plural form, but actually entire country we are talking about a single country. So entire country become here singular subject. According to that singular subject we have to put singular verb here. So in both which is a singular verb, so was gathered is a singular form and were gathered is a plural form. So what we have to put here? We have to put here was gathered. Was gathered is a correct answer for our sentence. So finalized sentence become the entire country was gathered to witness the new millennium. Understand students? Now next sentence. Sentence fifth. Another batch of students blanks to sit for the orals. Another batch of students is a subject here. Two verb is given here. Is waiting, are waiting. Is waiting, are waiting. Is waiting is in a singular form. Are waiting is in a plural form. Now we have to decide our subject. Subject is singular, then we have to put singular verb. Subject is in a plural form, we have to put plural verb here. Another batch of students. Here we are not talking about students, but we are talking about another batch of students. So it's a collective noun. So we have to put singular verb. That subject becomes singular subject. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb here. So which is singular verb is here? Is waiting. Is waiting is a singular subject here. So what we have to put here? Is waiting is a correct answer. Is waiting is a correct answer. So finalized sentence become another batch of students is waiting to sit for the orals. Now next sentence, sentence number 6. This dog blanks at all strangers. Growls. Two verb is given here. Growl is a plural form and growls in a singular form, third person singular. This dog means third person singular. Here we are talking about only one dog. So it's in a singular form. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb. So both of that word growls is a singular form. So correct answer will become growls. Here we have to put growls. Okay. So finalized sentence become this dog growls at all strangers. Understand? Now next sentence. Sentence 7th. The doper as well as his brother blanks to be guilty. was declared and were declared. So first of all we have to decide subject in a singular form or in a plural form. So first of all we have to decide the dropper as well as his brother. So as well as word is given here. If as well as is connected with a two subject, so it's become a plural form. The dopper as well as his brother become plural subject. So according to that plural subject we have to put verb. So here were declared is a plural verb. So what we have to put here? Correct answer become were declared. Were declared is a correct answer here. So finalized sentence become the dopper as well as his brother were declared to be guilty. Understand? Now next sentence we have to understand. Now sentence 8. Robinson Crusoe and his manservant Friday blanks legendary figures. Here subject Robinson Crusoe and his manservant Friday. It's all are known as a subject of that sentence. Two verb is given here, has become, have become. So here we are talking about two subject. It is connected with a and. So become plural subject. Robinson Crusoe and his manservant Friday become plural verb. Plural subject. So according to that plural subject, we have to put plural verb. So here plural verb is there. Have become is a plural verb. So what we have to put here? Correct answer, have become. Have become is a correct answer. So finalized sentence become Robinson Crusoe and his manservant Friday have become legendary figures. Ready? Now next. One of my best friends blanks as a physiotherapist to footballers. Here work and works, singular and plural, both verb is given here. First of all we have to decide subject. One of my best friend. One of my best friends. We don't have to see the friends only, but we have to see whole clause. Here whole clause is given here. One of my best friends. So not we are talking about friends, but one of my best friend. So instead of friends, but one friend, we are talking about one friend. So subject become here singular. So according to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb. So in both verb, works is a considered as a singular verb. So answer become works. Our answer become works. So finalized sentence become it there. One of my best friends works as a physiotherapist to footballers. Understand students? Now next sentence number 10. Neither truth nor honesty blanks any place in the in the current society. Neither truth nor honesty blanks any place in the current society. Two verb is given here. Has as a singular form and have as a plural form. First of all we have to decide the subject. Neither truth nor honesty. So neither nor, this two subject is connected with neither nor. So if subject is connected with neither nor, then it's become a singular form. It's become in a singular form. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb. So which is singular verb here? Has is a singular verb. So correct answer become has. Correct answer become has here. So finalized sentence become neither truth nor honesty has any place in the current society. Now 11th sentence number 11. A large percentage of Sudanese population blanks living below poverty line. Two verb is given here, is and are. First of all we have to decide subject is in a singular form or plural form. A large percentage of Sudanese population. We are talking about a percentage, not Sudanese population. but we are talking about percentage. Percentage became singular. So whole subject is become in a singular form. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb here. Which is singular verb here? Is. Is a singular verb here. So finalized answer become is. So now finalized sentence. A large percentage of Sudanese population is living below poverty line. Now 12 number. 10 plus 10 blanks 20. Here 10 plus 10 is given as a subject, but two verb is given here, make and makes. Make is a plural form and makes in a singular form. So first of all, we have to decide subject. 10 plus 10 means what? 10 plus 10 means it's a become a singular subject. So according to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb. So both of it makes is in a singular form. So final answer become makes. So what we have to put here? Makes we have to put here. 10 plus 10 makes 20. So answer become makes. Now next sentence. Sentence number 13 we have to discuss. Here blanks the grave of Charles Darwin. Lie and lies. Lie in a plural form and lies in a singular form. But sentence started with a here. We see that a sentence started with here and there. We have to see the back side of that blanks. It's a subject. What is subject here? The grave of Charles Darwin is a subject here. The grave of Charles Darwin. We are talking about a single grave. So it's a become singular subject. According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb here. So singular verb is there. Lies is a singular form. So what we have to put here? We have to put lies as a singular verb here. So final answer become here lies the grave of Charles Darwin. Now 14 number. Not only the party members but also the party leader blanks. So two verb is given here. Was arrested, were arrested. Not only the party members but also the party leader. Here sentence is connected, two subject is connected with but. So what we have to see? We have to see the last subject as our sentence subject. So here the party leader is in a singular form. So according to that subject, the party leader, we have to put verb. So here was arrested is in a singular verb. So what we have to put as a answer? We have to put here answer as a was arrested. Was arrested is a correct answer here. So finalized sentence become not only the party members but also the party leader was arrested. Okay, understand student? Now last one. Most of the petrol blanks from the tank has leaked, have leaked. Two verb is given here. First of all, we have to decide the subject of the sentence. Most of the petrol. Petrol is an uncountable noun. So what we have to put is a singular subject. We have to consider it as a singular subject. So what we have to put here? According to that singular subject, we have to put singular verb here. So what will answer? Answer became has leaked. Has leaked is a correct answer. So finalized sentence become most of the petrol has leaked from the tank. So here students, we completed our B exercise. B exercise answer key is given here. B exercise answer key is given here. So you have to complete all the answers in your grammar textbook whenever available in market. Please fill the blanks in your grammar textbook with pencil only. Don't write with pen, just write with pencils. So please fill up your workbook with our videos. So thank you students. Thank you for joining us.